Hey babe, what are you doing over there? Ah, nice. Looks real good. It's shining up really nice. Hey, can you get that hood ornament also? Please? Thanks. Is that coming clean? Okay. Can you get that center strip on the hood also? Nice. Real nice. Looks good. Where are you going? Oh, you're gonna, oh, okay. Hey, get that window trim also. See the trim that goes around the window? By the window wipers? Windshield wipers? Yeah, right in there. Oh, that's really nice. That looks good. Oh, that's coming really clean. Nice and shiny. Hey, what about these bullets on the front of the car? Can you get those too? You probably have to squat down to get those. There you go. Those bullets are pretty nice, huh? How about that V there, that V on the hood in the front there? Nice. Real nice. Man, you really know how to clean cars good, you know that? You done? Okay, I got one more job for you though. Now I want you to scrape some paint. Oh, hi baby. Hi baby. Slug bug, yeah, that's mommy's slug bug in the garage. Okay, right over here by this air tank. See that scraper tool in the front there? Yeah. Scrape some of this paint here on the side of this car. Right here. Scrape it this way. Nice. Looks good. All right, babe. Hey, you want to sit in the car and drive it? You sure? Yeah. Okay. Hold on, let me open the door for you. Well, it looks a lot better now since you cleaned it up. Hey, where did you go? Oh, there you are. Oh, you in the car? What are you doing in here anyway? Acting like you're driving?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Drive. How fast are you going?
60.
Nice. How's the steering? Huh? It's pretty cool. Hey, does that gas pedal work? Was it frozen? Stuck?
Yeah.
Well, I'll have to shoot some WD-40 on that. Yeah. All right, well. Everything else working okay? And we need to get a windshield here for the front. That way the bugs won't hit you when you drive.
They move, get away.
What? What are you talking about? This car's parked. This car's parked. Hey, try the horn. Does the horn work? Nah, I need to fix that too. All right. Okay, I guess it does work. All right. Bye.